Each year, on 28th January, the world observes Data Privacy Day. This day highlights the significance of privacy and data protection. When personal data like your name, address, online activities, or financial details get into the wrong hands, it can lead to identity theft, financial fraud, and even stalking or harassment. The Convention for the Protection of Individuals with regard to automatic processing of personal data was opened for signature by the Council of Europe on 28 January 1981. The Convention on Cybercrime is also protecting the integrity of data systems and thus of privacy in cyberspace. Privacy, including data protection, is also protected by Article 8 of European Convention on Human Rights. The day, which was initiated by the Council of Europe to be first held in 2007 as the European Data Protection Day. 2 years later, on 26 January 2009, the United States House of Representatives passed House Resolution HR 31 by a vote of 402 by 2, declaring 28 January National Data Privacy Day. Digital Personal Data Protection Act in India also has core principles that align with global data protection standards, focusing on consent, individual rights, and data security. Data privacy needs to be taken seriously for the following reasons. First is identity protection. Personal data, if exposed, can lead to impersonating anyone, leading to unauthorized access to date of birth, KYC documents, bank details, or even to victims' social media profiles. Also, it endangers financial safety. Personal financial data such as credit card details, online purchase history, and banking information can be misused by cybercriminals or fraudsters to make fraudulent transactions. It helps to avoid discrimination. Data privacy ensures that sensitive information like your health status, your race, political beliefs are not exploited or used against you, whether by employers, insurance companies, or even advertisers. It grants you personal autonomy. It's about your right of control of who has access to your information. If you do not have control over your data, your companies, government, or other entities can make decisions about you without your consent. It enhances cybersecurity. Protecting data privacy is also essential for preventing cyber attacks. If individual data is compromised, it can lead to larger breaches, affecting millions of people, compromising personal security on a wider scale. It also helps to protect freedom from surveillance. Data privacy also relates to personal freedom. If too much personal information is exposed, it could lead to a world where people feel constantly surveilled or manipulated by the companies and the governments. New legal frameworks have been developed across the world to address these challenges, yet we can take simple steps on our personal level, like enabling two factor authentication, regular software updates in our devices to patch security vulnerabilities, verifying the senders, avoiding suspicious links, limit data sharing on social media, and encrypting sensitive files and backing up data regularly so that we are able to counter these challenges effectively.